Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So, on the monthly, I still think this is going to be the end of a wave 5 and that this high right here will hold. I think this first move down is an A. I think this is 3 waves up for the B, and I believe that there's a very good likelihood this is going to go down to about the 100% Fibonacci extension to make a wave C. So if that's true, that means we have a long ways to go to the downside, but we are talking about the monthly, so it's going to take a very, very long time for that to play out. So taking it down to the weekly time frame is where I think we have the end of an ABC of B. First move down, most likely at 1. 3 waves up, most likely at 2. I think we ended a crescent already and that this is going to keep going down, making lower lows, lower highs for a wave 3. Most likely a wave 3 of wave C. Just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame definitely looks like a 1 right here. It looks like 3 waves up for a 2. It looks like a 3. I would say this move up, if anything, is probably just a wave 4, and maybe it makes a wave 5. But we do have to remember tomorrow is non-farm payroll day. So even though this kind of looks like it could be a wave 4 and 5, it's probably actually just a subdivision of a much bigger trend. It's probably just going to go up into one of these Fibonacci's, and then tomorrow at the news, it's most likely just going to continue the downtrend, all part of that big wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour, we have only about 24 hours or so until the news comes out, so there's really not a whole lot of time. If it goes up to one of these two fib levels, maybe something like that, makes an impulsive move down, that's probably going to be the end of a crescent and probably the continuation of the downtrend. I still think that tomorrow's news is going to be negative for the dollar. It's going to cause the US dollar Canadian to end the crescent and most likely continue the downtrend at one of these Fibonacci levels. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, you can see we are definitely going up right now. It looks like all just one big corrective pattern. It probably is going to continue to go up for the next 24 hours, make some sort of a crescent. The news will most likely come out tomorrow. It'll bounce off a fib level, one of these two most likely, ending this crescent and most likely continuing the downtrend. All part of a big wave 3 on the much, much longer time frames. The longer time frames tell me the trend is down. These shorter time frames, I'm definitely still looking for shorts. I believe that this is probably not going to be ready for a sort until tomorrow, but tomorrow at the news, I do believe this will end the crescent and continue the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.